Eureka! 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 I know you must have heard this catchphrase before, right? Yeah, now let's go down into it. What happened and what brought about this phrase? Many years ago in Syracuse in Italy, King Eureka II, who was the king over this town in those days, gave a duty to the goldsmith of the village to help making him a gold crown. Yeah, after the job was completed and was delivered to the king suspected that some impurities of silver must have been added to the gold crown. So what did he do? He summoned a great mathematician, a person of Archimedes, to help find out if truly impurities were added to this crown or not. Archimedes was confused on the right step to take to actualize his goal. Started thinking of the method he can use or he should use to determine if impurities was added to this crown or not. So he went to his house, bothered about it, thinking, and he was sad about him not discovering a particular means in which he could use to solve this puzzle that the king gave to him. So he got to a time when he got to his bathroom for him to have his bath. Then he went into his bathtub, and upon entering his bathtub, he discovered that there was an increase in the volume of the water in the bathtub. That now sensed and dropped a particular idea in his head that if this could happen, that means I could use this also in discovering if impurities was added to this crown or not. This was all led to him screaming and shouting, Eureka, Eureka, Eureka. He found it running out of his bedroom down the street to the palace, telling the king he has found a result in which he can use to determine if impurities were added or not. So what he did, we got the crown from the king, and he got a gold bar weighing same as the crown. He also got a silver bar weighing same as the crown. He also got a container of water in a particular volume. Yeah. So what did he do? First off, he dug the gold bar into the container of water. He noticed an increase. He took it out. He did the same for the silver bar. He noticed an increase. And finally, he dug in the crown into the container of water. Then he was supposed to have the same increase he noticed for the gold bar, but he saw an higher increase than what he noticed for the gold bar. Yeah. So he concluded that truly some impurities of silver must have been added. Now, what is this story telling you? You've learned how to discover the volume of irregular solids. The crown there was an irregular solid, and he was able to determine the volume using the increment in his water. Thank you.